this goal-orientedness. I want to win the race. See, if you treat life as a race, if you have to win it, you have to get to the finish lines. Isn't it? Do not fix life, either yours or anybody else. Do you have the courage and commitment to make the possibility into a reality? Inevitable, it will yield. How can it not yield?
The only changeable certainty is that nothing is certain or unchangeable. The universe is not only far-reaching and complex than we imagine, it is more than we can imagine. No matter how much we learn or discover, the universe will always hold some mysteries and surprises that go beyond human comprehension. Its vastness and unpredictability of existence will continue to leave us wonderstruck. Our group aims at presenting thoughtful insights on the following points. First, the inadequacies in the creation. Reality has limits, but those limits are also opportunities. The world is not perfect. There are gaps or inadequacies built into it. These imperfections may seem like restrictions, but they also create room for growth, discovery, and new possibilities. Second, the aspect of openness from the side of reality. The real world is open to exploration. Reality is not fixed. There is always more to learn, discover, and understand. And finally, humans are also the part of this mystery. Just like the horizon always seems far away, no matter how close we get, human beings are also full of endless depths and mystery. We can try to understand each other, but will never have a full understanding or knowing of someone. This endless mystery invites connection and curiosity, much like the horizon draws us forward. In a nutshell, both the reality and human relationships are full of limits and potentials, always inviting us to explore further. So let us delve deep through a simple and ordinary scientific method, looking into some of the basic aspects of human life and reality.
Here we explore how we perceive colors and the role of our senses in understanding reality and how it might differ from other creatures. So basically, light is made of 7 colors which we can see and rainbow or by using a prism. Humans see colors because our eyes have 3 types of cells that detected green and blue light. By mixing these three colors, our eyes and brain create the perception of all the colors we see. So, colors are not inherent in the objects. For example, this violet brinjal appears violet because it absorbs all other colors of light and reflects only violet light to our eyes.
Philosophically, we ask the question, do colors exist independently of the creatures perceiving them? Does reality look different for animals? Other animals see the world differently. Dogs have only two types of color receptors and see fewer colors. Birds have an extra type of receptor, enabling them to see ultraviolet light and possibly more colors than humans. In essence, our understanding of the world is shaped by our senses, which both enable and limits what we can perceive.
We live in a three-dimensional world, meaning we experience reality through length, width, and height. These dimensions allow us to perceive depth, interact with objects, and understand the space around us. Understanding dimensions. In a one-dimensional world, life would be like an ant moving back and forth on a straight line. It would not know about anything outside that line. In a two-dimensional world, life would be like a living on a flat surface, like a piece of paper. A two-dimensional being would only see things on the surface, and anything from above or below would seem like a miracle. Three-dimensional reality. A three-dimensional world allows us to fully experience and understand depth, movement, and physical objects. However, scientists and mathematicians believe there could be more dimensions beyond the three we know. For example, string theory suggests that the universe might have up to 11 dimensions.
Human curiosity and exploration. Some scientists are trying to recreate the conditions of the Big Bang to understand the universe better. This could reveal more about dimensions and the nature of reality. Even if we don't take into consideration the other dimensions, we still have much to learn about our three-dimensional world. The idea of extra dimensions challenges us to think about life, the universe, and our existence in new ways. It encourages us to stay open to possibilities and to keep exploring both the physical and spiritual mysteries of life.
Mysteries and fascinating aspects of reality and human nature emphasizes how both are ever approachable but never fully attainable. Let's break it down. The universe, ever approachable, never attainable. The Big Bang Theory is the most widely accepted explanation of the universe's origin. It describes the universe as starting from a singularity, a point of infinite destiny and energy, about 13 billion years ago. However, as we try to get closer to the exact beginning, it becomes nearly impossible to describe. It's like chasing the horizon. You can move towards it but never reach it.
Human nature, finite search for the infinite. Just as the universe is mysterious and beyond complete understanding, humans are also complex beings caught between two poles. The beauty of reality and humanity. Both the universe and humans share profound paradox. Really is approachable but never fully knowable. Humans are finite but constantly reaching for the infinite. This makes life fascinating but also fragile. As we strive to make sense our existence while knowing we will never achieve complete understanding or perfection.
Life and reality are ambiguous and complex. Both are ever approachable but never attainable. We can approach understanding and fulfillment but never fully grasp them. This constant quest is what defines us as humans and makes life meaningful. This means we can always explore and grow, but some mysteries will remain beyond our grasp, encouraging wonder and continuous learning. Finally, the message we want to convey is that we must accept our finitude. Acknowledging our nothingness is the beginning of wisdom. An empty glass always has space to be filled or to receive, but on the other hand, a glass which is already filled with pride and ego does not allow anything to penetrate it. It continues to remain unchanged. The challenge before us is to know that we cannot attain the ideal self by trying to become better humans every moment of our life.